Hi there, welcome to my channel. I wanted to share my newest journal. This one is a digital kit from My Porch Prints, and it's called the Naturalist. They have several different kits. So this is a mix of them all. There is 6 signatures in this. As you can see, it's pretty small, intended as a little mini journal. It's tied up here with some seam binding. This journal will lay flat. It has like play in it, so it'll lay flat, which is very nice. And you'll be able to, write in it like this. So a little mini library card. The spine is made out of Kraftex in the green color. I'm not sure exact colors, but this has a lot of handmade specialty papers in it, and it has a lot of the different kits in it from the Naturalist. Now I cut this out just a little farther here, added that on. It has a good variety of writing room. We have some vellum printed pages with their kit, which is beautiful. I put some tabs on. Now in the center of each signature, I've done one big and one little piece that matches the kit that is there already. This is really a fun little journal. This is just an embossed page. I was looking online for that and had to have it. That's just coffee dyed, printed on the back. Love this kit though. It's so versatile. You could use just pieces of it, or you could use the whole thing. This is a handmade paper with just scraps of paper in it. I feel like this might be too much light. Oh, there, that's better. Sorry. Another vellum page. I tried to put a vellum page in each signature, and then a little bit of lace to kind of bring in the softness of that. Little tabs here and there to make it fit and work. Oops, pardon me. Again, there's the little pieces. I need to trim that one off just a smidge more, I think. Coffee dyed paper. A little tuck spot. This is just attached there. There's the other side of the lace. I like adding lace in there like that. It brings out a little bit. Under here was book page with a vellum piece over the top and then fabric underneath it. And then I backed it with that so it wouldn't show through that thinner paper. That page got coffee dyed accidentally just a little bit. This is a tuck spot, could be used to, tuck something in. I didn't add anything to that. Here is just a little thing, and thought that was cute together with the bottles. This is just a little envelope. I have a self-adhesive closure on it, and you can get those in my shop at JJ with Joy on Etsy. There's another. This one's a little softer tone there. A couple little tags stuck in there. These are cardstock, watercolor, I believe. And then here is just a little handmade paper. Such a small, pretty journal. I love this. Little lace underneath that piece of ephemera. Another signature. This has, let's see, I don't want to ruin that. Just a little notebook here with a little tuck spot there. And then a button on the bottom of that slides right up in there. This is another vellum page. This has a little, just a crooked little piece of paper that's been dyed. More specialty paper. I like how it blends together with their colors, the center of another signature. That's just paper clipped on there, and that's just paper clipped on there. I guess this is a rusty pin there. Another vellum page, little vellum with a book page underneath it, just as to adorn that page. This has a little 3 swoopy, it's a little tag, but you know, it can fold out. Has a little teeny bit of writing room. You could hide it away. This is a glassine bag, which I've added a tag inside with a little pull tab. Another little thing. Here's a vellum. This folds out. It has a few little pieces of the ephemera inside here. And just folds back together like that. There's a couple pieces of ephemera behind it as well that could be added into the journal as someone would like. This little piece right here is just a little notepad that I've made and folded it over the top of that little page there. And this is just another writing spot. Some more handmade papers, specialty papers. The blend of these kits together are just absolutely beautiful. And they go really well with the handmade papers too, the specialty papers. You can just really get a different feel from all of it. Another little, I didn't do a lot of distressing on that. That's a little rusty pin that I just sewed on there. I don't know if you can see that, how that's done. Little ribbon behind that. Oops, there's the, now we're on the last signature. Oh, there's a little vellum piece, a little notes pad. Well, I can't get it to open, but trust me, there's a little notepad in there. And then another little writing spot and that tuck spot. This fabric just folds over, kind of matches this a little bit here. Again, another little, this one folds out and will fold up for writing. Hand sewn, left it hanging around there. Added some buttons. This is just a little writing spot there. And there's a little jar that is made of vellum as well right there. Another little swingy hanging on the paper clip. Swingy, you like my names for these things? Oh well, there's the inside of this signature. Fun journal to make. This was really a fun journal to make. I sewed on the top of this and on the bottom of this to keep this a little bit more stout. And this has an envelope in the back of it, and it has nothing in it. It's just an empty envelope. You could hide away something. And then that's just attached on the paper clip there. Other side of that fabric, and there's the end, and there's the back. And I added a couple buttons on the spine with the Kraftex spine. So it is a pretty journal. Lots of fun. Still has a little room. You could add something in if you wanted. And, you know, it does kind of fold. Makes it handy dandy. So So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and you'll get to see more. And I will see you next time. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy.